Do you keep losing the page you were reading in the book or need something to brighten up your reading? I have the perfect companions. Hi everybody, this is Pritika presenting fancy yet simple DIY bookmarks to brighten up your reading. First style is the unicorn, the new crush each teenager has. You've seen it everywhere, be it the stationery, t-shirts. Now let's learn how to convert it into a bookmark. We will be needing an origami sheet. If you don't have an origami sheet, don't worry. Just take any sheet of paper which is the size of 3 by 3 inches. Follow the following instructions. Just put it step a bit above the joint. This will be the head and the hair part. Using Fevicol, we will stick these two parts together and put the horn. It's ready. Just take a sketch pen and draw its eyes. And take a colorful sketch pen and draw its hair. I have decorated mine with sparkles and colored strips. This unicorn will never let your page be lost. The second style is the tansel string. Take some wool and wrap it around your fingers around 10 times. Now carefully remove it and put it on a sewing needle. Take another piece of yarn and tie it around it. I've tied it using a yarn. Now cut the loops. Now make sure that they are of the same height. Our tansel is ready. We need to put it through a string. Put the tansel through a thread. Now take any shape. I've made the hole in the shape. Now we will put the tansel through it. Our bookmark is ready. Take a colored sheet and fold its corner. Now cut the corner while leaving around 1 centimeter space. Now we will fold the corners which we left. Open it again. Now we will cut along this crease. I've cut it. Now we will just put Fevicol around the sides and paste the other triangle on. It's ready. You can draw any design, but I just like to keep it simple. Now we can put it inside a book. Wow! It sure is interesting. DIY bookmark ideas will make your reading fun and engross your interest in books. Make them for yourself or give them. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.